In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a component in your design software, a skill that's crucial for anyone looking to streamline their design process and maintain consistency across their projects. Components are like reusable building blocks that can significantly enhance your workflow, making it easy to update designs with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in and explore how to turn your design elements into components with ease. First, focus on the object or objects you want to convert into a component. This could be something simple, like a rectangle paired with text, which might be the foundation for a button in your interface design. This selection will become your reusable component, so take a moment to ensure that it looks exactly the way you want it to. With your selection made, there are several methods you can use to create your component. One straightforward option is to simply right-click on your selected object. In the context menu that appears, choose the option labeled Make Component. This method is intuitive and quick, especially if you're working with a mouse or trackpad and prefer context menus for your operations. Alternatively, you can make use of the software's main menu. At the top of your screen, click on Object, and from the drop-down menu, select Make Component. This approach can be particularly helpful if you're already navigating through different menus for your design work, keeping your workflow centralized within the application's core navigation. For those who thrive on speed and efficiency, there's also a handy keyboard shortcut you can use. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl and K simultaneously, while on a Mac, use CMD and K. This method is ideal if you're a power user who relies on keyboard commands to zip through your tasks with minimal distraction. Finally, if you're someone who enjoys working directly within the software's various panels, the Assets panel is another great place to create components. By locating and opening this panel, you'll find a section dedicated to components. Here, you can click on the plus icon to add your selected object as a new component. After you've made your component using one of these methods, it's important to give it a meaningful name in the Property Inspector. By naming your component thoughtfully, you'll be able to identify it quickly later on, which is especially useful when working on complex projects with numerous elements. Once created, your object is designated as the main component, signified by a green diamond icon, and it's neatly added to the components library within the Assets panel. This organization helps ensure that your components are easy to find and ready to use whenever you need them, thus enhancing your design cohesion and efficiency. And that's it. You've successfully created a component. By incorporating these practices into your design routine, you'll remarkably streamline your workflow, boosting both productivity and consistency across all your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.